Improve the performance of your Dell Vostro or G Series PC by following these quick and easy steps. For laptops, your system should be connected to a power source during this entire process. Go to dell.com/support, enter your computer service tag, or click on this PC if your system is shown. Click on Drivers and Downloads, expand Access the complete list of drivers and downloads for your system, and set your operating system accordingly. Select BIOS for the category field. From the list populated below, click Download for the BIOS update file. If more than one BIOS version is listed, it's highly recommended to download and install each one separately in sequence from the oldest release date to the most current. Once the download is complete, go into your Downloads folder and click on the BIOS update file you've just downloaded to run it. Accept the changes and the BIOS firmware update will begin. If alerted that BitLocker is enabled, tick the appropriate box to suspend the BitLocker drive encryption, then click Update and follow any on-screen instructions. After all the firmware data is loaded, click Restart to complete the installation. Once the BIOS update completes outside of Windows, the system will boot into Windows normally. After the BIOS are updated, let's install two Dell applications, the Dell Command Update and the Power Manager. Go to dell.com/support and identify your system again. Click on Drivers and Downloads, expand Access the complete list of drivers and downloads for your system, set your operating system, but this time for the category, select Systems Management. From the list of apps, download the Dell Command Update application. Then download the Dell Power Manager service. Once both files have downloaded completely, go into your Downloads folder and run the Dell Command Update application file. Accept the changes, click Install, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once the install wizard completes, click Finish and Close. With that done, go back into the Downloads folder and run the Dell Power Manager file. Follow the same installation process by accepting the changes and following all the prompts to complete the installation. After both apps are installed, now it's time to adjust the thermal settings. Windows search and select Dell Power Manager and open it. Navigate to the Thermal Management tab to access the thermal settings. Optimized is the standard go-to option which balances performance and temperature. Choose Cool if you want your system to stay cool at all times, which sacrifices performance. Quiet minimizes fan noise, but performance is reduced while temperature is increased. Ultra Performance achieves maximum performance, but consider this option increases fan speeds to a maximum, resulting in more fan noise. Select the best fit option that suits your use, but you can always go back and change it as your system use changes. If you still need help or have any questions, contact us through social media for assistance. We also have the Dell Community Forum where you can see what others have to say about the subject. Become a subscriber today to get access to all of our support tutorials and be notified when we post future content. Thanks for watching.